open air, we close our eyes and breathe in slowly. Knew we'd get here from the start. Finding magic in the days and nights as they're unfolding. Writing stories with the stars. And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you, in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for expectation. Empty pages we can fill, taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark we feel it still. And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
I spent my life building a life for me, tidy and safe, everything in its place, the way it should be. Nothing was wrong, but something just was not right. Didn't know it was dark in that room in my heart till you turned on the light. And out of thin air, suddenly you were there. What a wonderful sight. I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything. I never knew how beautiful life could be. You rewrote the rules and I was a fool till you made me see. Holding your hand taught me to open mine, let go of my plans, all my demands, and leave them behind. Now whatever I do is tethered to you, and I don't even mind. I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything. It could